Open your web browser, sign into your Softr account, and you're going to learn exactly how to add a search bar to a list block. If you're building a directory, a resource library, a team roster, or any kind of database-driven page inside Softr, a search bar is the key to making that block actually usable for your visitors or members. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Once you're signed into your Softr account, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu of options, and you want to click on Applications. This is where all the apps you've built or are currently working on are listed. Think of each application as a separate project, maybe a client portal, an internal tool, or a public directory. Clicking Applications takes you to the project selection screen, which is your home base for managing everything. Now, find the specific application that contains the list block you want to add a search bar to. Go ahead and open that application. You'll be taken inside its editor, where you can see the different pages and blocks you've set up. The list block itself is a powerful component that pulls records from a data source, like Airtable or Google Sheets, and displays them in a clean, repeating format. It's ideal for showing listings of products, articles, people, or any other collection of data. But without a search bar, users have to scroll through every single record to find what they need, which can be frustrating if your list is more than just a few items. So, let's add that functionality. Next, navigate to the specific page inside your application that holds the list block. Every page in Softr is built with sections and blocks, and you'll need to click on the Page tab in the editor to see its content. Once you're on the correct page, click directly on the list block itself to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline around the block, and its settings panel appears on the right-hand side of the screen. This is the most common starting point for any customization you want to make to a block, so getting comfortable selecting blocks is a core skill in Soft. Once the block is selected, look to the right sidebar. This is where all the block-specific settings live. You'll see a series of tabs at the top, such as Content, Design, and maybe others depending on the block type. Click on the Content tab. This tab controls what data the block shows and how it behaves, which is exactly where the search bar setting will be. The Content tab is like the brains of the block. It's where you connect your data source, choose which fields to display, and enable interactive features like searching and filtering. Now, inside the Content tab, you'll need to scroll down through the available options. Soft organizes settings logically, and you'll find a section dedicated to the block's interaction features. Keep scrolling until you locate the option labeled Search Bar. It will typically be a toggle switch, meaning it's either off or on. By default, this toggle is turned off. Click the toggle to enable it. When you do, you'll see it switch to a blue or active state, which confirms the feature is now turned on for this block. This is a simple but crucial step, because it unlocks the ability for your users to type in a keyword and instantly filter the displayed records. Once you toggle the search bar on, Soft will automatically add a search bar above your list block in the editor. You don't need to drag anything or manually position it. The search bar appears right where users would expect it, just above the list of records. The search bar's style will match your block's overall theme and design, so it should integrate seamlessly. At this point, take a moment to review the block in the editor. You'll see a small input field, usually with a magnifying glass icon or placeholder text like Search. This is your new search bar living inside the context of your page layout. To see it in action, click the Preview button in the upper right corner of the editor. This opens a live preview of your app as your end users would see it. It's not just a static mock-up, it's fully interactive. Once the preview loads, you should see the search bar above your list. Now type a few keywords into the search bar. Try something that you know exists in your records, like a name, a category, or a title. Watch as Softr filters the list in real time, showing only the records that match your query. This instant filtering confirms that the search bar is correctly connected to your data source. If it works, great. If not, you may need to double check that your data source has text fields that are searchable, which is almost always the case. If the search doesn't return the expected results, or if you want to tweak the block's appearance, simply return to the editor by closing the preview. You can then make additional adjustments to your block settings. You might want to adjust the block's design, change the placeholder text in the search bar, or add filters alongside the search to give users even more control. Soft lets you customize the Design tab to change the search bar's size, color, and alignment, so feel free to experiment until it feels right for your app. A few expert tips to make this feature really shine. First, search bars are most useful for lists containing a large number of records. If you have fewer than 10 items, a search bar might be overkill, but for hundreds or thousands of records, it's absolutely essential. Second, make sure the data in your records is clear and consistent. If you have misspelled names or inconsistent categories, your search results might confuse users. Third, test the search bar with different keywords to ensure it returns accurate results. Try synonyms, partial words, and even typos to see how robust the search is. Finally, combine the search bar with filters and sorting options to create a truly powerful browsing experience. For example, let your users search by name and then filter by department. And don't forget to preview your app on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure the search bar is easy to access and use on smaller screens. By following these steps, you have successfully added a fully functioning search bar to your list block inside Softr. This simple addition transforms your static list into a dynamic, user-friendly tool that helps people find exactly what they're looking for. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or come back to it. Thanks for watching and happy building.